I'm Stephanie Rosegook, and I wanted to speak to you today about Jonas. His speech was very, very involved. I'm familiar with the high school crowds. It's very difficult to really get them invested into a speech, and he managed to do that. And you just gotta hang on to the quirkiness, because it's coming at you, and you don't know what you're expecting when he walks up there. But you know, that's the joy of it. You have to really be open to having fun and not taking every joke too seriously, because the whole point of it is to be a little quirky, just like us, and find it relatable, but still have an underlying message which teaches us that you are the creators of your own future and be visionaries.
Yeah.